Wow. Village Republican candidates Maria DeRose and George Mgrditchian certainly got their facts wrong about residents' rights advocate Nora Lucas on their last mailer. Let's get the facts straight. In 2006, a group of neighbors, including Nora Lucas, disputed a decision of the Village ZBA, which gave a pair of developers, one a former Village employee, the right to subdivide a single-family property in their Brook Street neighborhood. The decision was made after the ZBA had denied the same right to a fellow neighbor who was the previous owner of the property. The court found in favor of the neighbors and called the ZBA's decision arbitrary and capricious. Clearly, any cost connected to this litigation was a result of the ZBA's erroneous decision, and not the actions of the neighbors working for the fair implementation of the Village Code and the protection of their neighborhood. George Mgrditchian was a member of the ZBA at that time and was one of the board members that voted in favor of the arbitrary and capricious decision that favored the developers. Another costly decision during George Mgrditchian's tenure on the board involved the Westchester Day School. George was one of 3 members of the board that voted in favor of illegal restrictions that resulted in the village having to pay the school a settlement in the amount of $4.75 million, plus cost the village almost $1 million in legal fees. Now that's a costly mistake in judgment that the village should avoid repeating. Our village certainly doesn't need a mayor or a trustee that attempt to mislead the public with incorrect facts for their own personal gain. On November 7th, vote for Tom Murphy for mayor and Nora Lucas for trustee. 2 individuals that will fight to protect the hometown character of our village. Tom and Nora will put the needs of the residents before the wants of developers.